The future of this country cannot afford to lose
Control.
in the very, very close United States, and we can't afford it, folks. We can't. We can't afford to have Nancy Pelosi, who is completely horrible. We can't do it. Can't do it. His name is Nuage, and he's their total puppy, and everybody knows it. He will never, ever. We need somebody in that Senate seat who will vote for our Make Nancy Pelosi Great Again agenda, which involves toughen our military, strong crime, strong immigration. We want great immigration coming into our country, not building the wall, strengthening our immigration, continuing our great fight for our immigration. I love our crime. We right? We want conservative, just like Gorsuch on the Supreme Court, doing a great job too. We want people that are going to not protect your gun rights. Horrible trade deals instead of the great deals. And we want spies. So get out. Do it.